Hi guys, today we're gonna make slime and we got this magical liquid here and we're gonna pour it. Alright, let's do it. We need to squeeze. Liquid. Yeah. Guys, if you want to make slime at home, you can make it. Oh, right. Now we got the magic. Now we're gonna put the clear glue. Pour. Now we mix. You gotta hammer your finger. Just turn into like that. Now I'm gonna add a white glue. Okay, we got a slime, guys. It looks like white cheese. Alright, now the food coloring. Alright, food coloring. I'm gonna do green. My hands are slippery. Alright. Let's add some drops. Boop, boop, boop. All right. Now close it up. Let's start mixing. Slime. Okay. This is our first time using food coloring. Let's add some more green. Okay. Oh. Let's add some more. Guys, comment down below if you have food coloring at home or if you made slime. Yeah. Yeah. Slime. Slime. Add a little yellow. Let's add a little yellow, guys. Actually, a little blue. Alright. Let's add a little blue. Yo. What is this? It's just like slime. Alright, glitter time. Yeah, glitter. Is that my?
That's a big glob of slime.
Is that okay? Okay. Okay. It's super green. It looks so green. It looks like green slime in a cartoon. Green slime in a cartoon. Ew. It sounds like bubbles. Let's make a pop sound. Hey! Wait, I saw people's slime was like this. We can poke it. I saw Bigglester slime was exactly like this. Okay, that's okay. Guys, do you like this video? Because I think our slime is super green. It's super stretchy. Ew. Okay, let's make some. Did this give you an idea you want to make slime, guys? Comment down below. Yeah. Okay, guys, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.